Morning, guys. So it's day what of packing, Mom? What's the day of packing? Day, I'm gonna say like 5. But I'm gonna start breakfast. I'm gonna start some breakfast, and then we're gonna get the ball rolling. Cause how many days we got, Mom? It's not a lot. 5. We won't have any bowls out because everything is packed away. You know what? I don't even have to use. I'm making fried eggs. Hey? Yes. Am I right? Come on, back up. After my much needed day yesterday, this morning is the last morning for breakfast here in Jumanji, guys. Oh my gosh. But I'm going to go ahead and start off with some fried eggs because I'm going to make me that BBL sandwich I haven't had in a long time. Okay, but here's my update on packing. So after this, I'm going to go run ahead to Home Depot and grab some boxes, some tape. And I think that's all, y'all. It is time to really go. By the time my man gets here, we will be out of here and already into our new place. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys. And I don't want to hear anything. Y'all know how I sound in the morning. I cannot help it. I don't know why it's so foggy in the morning. Like, I even be trying to do the little warm-ups I used to do in music class before, it's not working. Anywho, did I mention that it's the last breakfast here? Okay, I know I did. On to the next. Okay. But what does that look like? Me. As you can see, I prefer my bacon crispy. I really prefer everything crispy rather than like chewy. I'm not a chewy type girl. Make that shit crispy. And please, don't give me no bacon that you ain't set on no paper towel first. You trying to kill me? That's really how I feel about that. It's to the point, it's this bad. I would even get a piece of tissue and dab it. Like, I just cannot eat it with all that grease sitting on it. It makes my stomach hurt or something. But boy, have I missed the biscuit. Over there in Argentina, you can't find the biscuits. Well, I don't know. Just America. I'm just so used to the stuff we have home. When I see new things, I'm like iffy to try it. So no biscuits from over there that I eat. I'm not a pastry type girl either. But let me hurry up and go give Harlan Jack his breakfast because clearly he can't wait this morning. He's just starving, so he got to scream all morning. Oh my God, what is it about these 2-year-olds who just scream? Y'all, it's driving me insane. I hate to hear anybody screaming on the television because I know it's coming. I know he's going to chime in. We can be in a grocery store. He can hear a kid falling out no matter what. If he happy or not, he's still going to chime in on the kid's tantrum. Like, what is wrong with the boy? And if you spent your morning this far with me, thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay with me on this journey, y'all. We is moving on up. It's time to get out of Jumanji. So after I eat breakfast, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Like I said, we're running to Home Depot, getting boxes, and coming back. And it's time to get it done because I think I literally have one more day. Oh my God.